Right, thought I'd share my fence with you. There's quite a few videos on YouTube about how to make these. It's got a cam locking bit and it's very strong, slides easily. There's one called AskWoodman, I think it is. He's very long videos about this. In there's a nut. There's one on the other side. Yeah, look, if it'll focus. They're tapped into the top here. Same there. You can only see that one. That helps it square up that way. And then at the front, there's two more. Same the other side. Can't get camera in, but there's another one down there. That helps square it that way. Just a little adjustment will move that, just a fraction. The front here, got a locking bit. That's a cam action type device. Piece of metal there, just helps spread the weight. And underneath, you can see the two nuts. They ride on these pieces. So that just slides along. Very easy to make. If you've got a welder or you know somebody, you can knock these up. Let's turn it over. So it's basically 1/4 inch bar, full length. That's just a piece of oak. Helps it slide along the surface. You can see where it runs. And down here, it's a 3" by 2" angle. There's a spacer there so that this is above the surface of that. These are just sprung steel. They're quite stiff, but they're not attached. They're just welded in the middle there. Polish them up, wax them. Same on the front there. That nut there's welded in. So just undo that. Give that 1/4 turn. You get it square. Same on the front there, that's just welded on there. Homemade cam action thing. A little bit of refining to do on that when you make it. Just weld it a little bit, unbolt it, weld it, unbolt it, weld it. Do what you got to do. Yeah, that's about it. Very simple to make. You see the packer there that I put on to give that distance. I'll show you if I can put it back on with one hand. So you want this below that level. So there's a little packer in there. It's a fraction of a gap just to help it clear. Piece of 2" steel. Couple of metal brackets. Quite long legs on them. Just to help keep it square. Yeah, lock that in. No moving that. I like it quite long because as you run a piece of wood through, you don't get that drift. You can keep it going through parallel. But yeah, that's any good table saw, any decent, half decent table saw, I've just got like a sight saw under there. I think it's a Shepak thing, yeah. I need an extractor on it, but that's for another day. Yeah, that's a great addition to any saw. Really glad I made that. Just thought I'd simplify it for you a little bit. So a lot of these videos on YouTube are so long-winded. You can almost just see the screw there. I'll turn it over again and give you some better views. You only have to weld this on as square as you can, because you can always adjust it by these bits. And if that's not tight enough, just give both of those front ones a quarter of a turn. It'll move it over, tighten that up. Yeah, really good. Very happy with that. Heavy, but that's what you want in a fence. Oh, it's tight, that's why. I need to cut that off, never did. Anyway, there you go. 12-foot table. That helps a lot.